Space is beautiful, mysterious, and unbelievably huge. Every night when we look at the stars, we feel curious about what exists beyond Earth. Scientists have spent hundreds of years studying the universe, galaxies, black holes, stars, and the laws of physics. But the more scientists learn about space, the stranger and more terrifying the universe becomes. Some space theories are so shocking that they sound like science fiction movies. These ideas challenge everything humans believe about reality, time, gravity, and even our own existence. Some theories suggest our universe may not be real. Others claim there could be infinite universes beyond our own. There are even theories that the universe could suddenly end in ways humans cannot stop. In this video, we will explore terrifying space theories that scientists seriously study but often struggle to fully explain. Moving forward, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe our channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our next video. These theories involve hidden dimensions, parallel universes, strange forms of gravity, cosmic destruction, and the possibility that humans may understand only a tiny part of reality. One of the strangest ideas in modern physics is called the Braneworld Theory. Humans normally experience 3 dimensions in space, length, width, and height. We move left and right, forward and backward, and up and down. But according to Braneworld Theory, our universe may actually exist inside a much larger hidden dimension called the bulk. Scientists describe our universe as a giant 3-dimensional membrane, also called a brain, floating inside this higher dimensional space. Other invisible universes, or other brains, may exist very close to ours, but humans cannot see them because we are trapped inside our own brain. This theory may sound impossible, but some physicists believe it could explain major mysteries in the universe. Scientists Lisa Randall and Raman Sundram proposed that hidden dimensions could explain why gravity is weaker than other forces in physics. According to their idea, gravity may leak into higher dimensions outside our universe. If this theory is true, black holes might connect different brains together. Scientists are searching for unusual gravitational waves that could reveal evidence of hidden dimensions. The terrifying part is this: humans may only see a tiny slice of reality, while much larger worlds exist beyond our reach. Another terrifying theory is called the Big Splat Theory. Most people believe the universe began with the Big Bang, but some scientists think the universe may go through endless cycles of death and rebirth. In the far future, stars will burn out, galaxies will drift apart, and the universe may become cold, dark, and empty. Many people think that would be the end of everything. But according to physicists Neil Turok and Paul Steinhardt, this may only be the beginning of the next universe. According to the Big Splat Theory, our universe could eventually collide with another giant brain floating in higher dimensional space. When these universes crash into each other, the collision would release unimaginable energy, creating a brand new universe similar to another Big Bang. This means our universe may not be unique at all. It may simply be one phase in an endless cosmic cycle happening again and again forever. The terrifying idea is that entire universes may be born and destroyed through massive collisions humans can never see coming. Another theory that deeply confuses scientists involves the early universe itself. Right after the Big Bang, scientists believe the universe was incredibly hot and filled with glowing plasma, similar to the inside of a star. Over billions of years, the universe expanded and cooled down. Today, scientists can still detect faint radiation left over from the Big Bang. This radiation is called the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. It fills the entire universe and acts like an ancient snapshot of the early cosmos. But there is a strange problem. The CMB looks almost identical in every direction across space. Scientists struggle to explain how distant regions of the universe became so similar when light may not have had enough time to travel between them. To solve this mystery, scientists created the theory of cosmic inflation. According to this idea, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light for a tiny fraction of a second after the Big Bang. During this short moment, the universe grew from smaller than an atom to enormous size almost instantly. This theory explains many observations, but it also creates terrifying possibilities. Some scientists believe inflation may never fully stop. Instead, new universes may continue forming forever inside an endless sea of expanding space. This leads directly to another terrifying idea called the Multiverse Theory. According to this theory, our universe may only be one tiny bubble among countless other universes. Each universe could have completely different laws of physics. In another universe, gravity may be stronger. In another, stars may never form. Some universes may contain no life at all. Others may contain civilizations far more advanced than humanity. The terrifying possibility is that infinite versions of reality may exist somewhere beyond our observable universe. There could even be another universe where another version of you exists making different choices right now. Some scientists think evidence of other universes may already appear in the cosmic microwave background. A strange area called the cold spot may possibly be the scar left behind by another universe colliding with ours long ago. Another mind-bending idea is called the Holographic Universe Theory. According to this theory, the entire three-dimensional universe may actually be encoded on a two-dimensional surface. Imagine a hologram on a credit card. Even though the image appears three-dimensional, the information is stored on a flat surface. Some physicists think reality itself may work the same way. This means everything humans experience, planets, stars, galaxies, time, and even ourselves, may actually be projections from deeper information stored somewhere else in the cosmos. Scientists from the University of Southampton studied patterns in the cosmic microwave background and found observations that seem mathematically consistent with this idea. While the theory remains unproven, it raises terrifying questions about reality itself. Perhaps the universe humans experience is not the full picture at all. Another disturbing theory claims scientists may completely misunderstand gravity. Galaxies rotate so fast that visible matter alone should not create enough gravity to hold them together. According to current physics, galaxies should fly apart. Most scientists solve this mystery by proposing invisible dark matter spread throughout the universe. Dark matter cannot be directly seen, but scientists believe it creates additional gravity. However, some researchers believe dark matter may not exist. Instead, they argue that gravity itself behaves differently on massive cosmic scales. This alternative idea is called modified Newtonian dynamics, or MOND. If MOND is correct, it would mean humanity's understanding of one of the most important forces in nature has been wrong for centuries. Entire textbooks about physics may need rewriting. One of the strangest theories ever proposed is simulation theory. According to this idea, the entire universe may actually be an ultra-advanced computer simulation. Everything humans experience, stars, planets, emotions, memories, and even history, could be artificial information created by an unimaginably advanced civilization. This idea became famous through movies like The Matrix, but some philosophers and scientists take it seriously. They argue that future civilizations may one day create realistic virtual universes containing conscious beings. If that becomes possible, then statistically it may be more likely humans already live inside one of those simulations rather than in base reality. The terrifying part is that humans may never know the truth. If reality itself is simulated, every scientific discovery may simply be part of the programmed system. Another chilling theory involves something called superfluid spacetime. Normally, humans think of space as empty, but according to this theory, spacetime itself may behave like a strange, invisible fluid. Scientist Stefano Liberati proposed that spacetime could contain microscopic particles too small for humans to detect. Just as water forms tiny whirlpools, this cosmic fluid may form vortices that eventually become galaxies. This idea suggests the fabric of reality itself may physically flow and move in ways humans barely understand. Perhaps the most disturbing theory of all is the anthropic principle, sometimes called the cosmic ego theory. Scientists discovered that many physical constants in the universe are perfectly balanced for life to exist. If gravity was slightly stronger or weaker, stars and planets may never form. If atomic forces changed only a little, life itself could become impossible. Some people believe this perfect balance may simply be luck. Others argue it suggests the universe was somehow designed for intelligent life. This raises one terrifying question. Why does the universe appear so perfectly suited for human existence? Scientists still do not know the answer. The deeper humans explore space, the stranger the universe becomes. Every discovery creates even bigger mysteries. Hidden dimensions, parallel universes, cosmic simulations, strange gravity, and infinite realities may sound impossible today, but many of these theories are based on real mathematics and scientific research. Perhaps humanity understands far less about reality than we imagine. Maybe the universe is far more terrifying than humans are prepared to accept, and somewhere out there in the darkness of space, the true nature of reality may still be waiting to be discovered. Another terrifying mystery in space involves black holes. Black holes are among the most powerful objects in the universe. Their gravity is so strong that nothing can escape once it crosses the event horizon, not even light itself. Scientists believe giant black holes exist at the center of most galaxies, including the Milky Way galaxy. But black holes create major problems in physics. According to quantum mechanics, information in the universe can never truly disappear. However, black holes seem to destroy everything that falls into them forever. This problem is known as the black hole information paradox. Some scientists believe information may somehow escape black holes through a strange process called Hawking radiation, discovered by physicist Stephen Hawking. Over extremely long periods of time, black holes slowly lose energy and eventually evaporate. But scientists still do not fully understand what happens to the information trapped inside them. This creates a terrifying possibility. The laws of physics themselves may break down inside black holes. Space and time may stop behaving normally, creating conditions humans cannot fully imagine. Some theories suggest black holes may even contain gateways to other universes. Physicists have studied theoretical objects called Einstein-Rosen bridges, also known as wormholes. These tunnels might connect distant regions of space-time together. If wormholes truly exist, a spacecraft entering a black hole might emerge somewhere else in the universe. Some theories even suggest travelers could emerge in another universe entirely. But there is one horrifying problem. Most scientists believe the extreme gravity inside black holes would destroy anything entering them instantly. Another terrifying space theory involves something called vacuum decay. According to quantum physics, empty space may not actually be stable forever. Scientists believe the universe could currently exist inside a temporary state called a false vacuum. If this is true, the universe may suddenly switch into a lower energy state called a true vacuum. This change would spread across space at the speed of light like a giant cosmic bubble. The terrifying part is that humans would never see it coming. Since the bubble would move at light speed, no warning could ever arrive before it reached Earth. The laws of physics inside the bubble might become completely different. Atoms could fall apart instantly, destroying stars, planets, galaxies, and all life in the universe. Even worse, scientists believe this event could happen naturally at any moment, although the chances are probably extremely small. Another disturbing theory is called the Great Filter Theory. Scientists often ask a major question known as the Fermi paradox. If the universe contains billions of stars and planets, where are all the alien civilizations? Many scientists believe intelligent life should be common across the universe, yet humans have found no confirmed evidence of advanced alien civilizations. The Great Filter Theory suggests there may be a deadly barrier that destroys most civilizations before they can spread across space. This filter could happen at many stages. Perhaps simple life rarely forms, maybe intelligent life almost never evolves, or perhaps advanced civilizations destroy themselves through war, artificial intelligence, climate disasters, or dangerous technology before reaching the stars. The terrifying possibility is that humanity may not have reached the Great Filter yet. In other words, the worst dangers for civilization may still lie ahead in humanity's future. Another strange theory involves Boltzmann brains. This idea sounds completely insane, but some scientists take it seriously because it comes from real physics equations. Over incredibly long periods of time, random particles in space could theoretically arrange themselves into complex structures through pure chance. In an infinite universe, this means a fully conscious brain with false memories could randomly appear for a brief moment. According to some calculations, it may actually be statistically more likely for a random Boltzmann brain to appear than for an entire universe like ours to naturally form. This creates a horrifying philosophical question. How do humans know their memories and reality are real? Some scientists argue that if this theory were correct, humans could simply be temporary conscious illusions floating in empty space. Another terrifying mystery is dark energy. Scientists discovered that the universe is not only expanding, but expanding faster over time. Something invisible appears to be pushing galaxies apart. Scientists named this unknown force dark energy, but the terrifying truth is that nobody fully understands what dark energy actually is. Dark energy makes up nearly 70% of the universe, meaning most of the cosmos is controlled by something humans barely understand. Some scientists fear dark energy may eventually destroy the universe itself. One possible ending is called the Big Rip. If dark energy becomes stronger over time, it could eventually overpower gravity completely. First, galaxies would break apart. Then star systems would separate. Later, planets, atoms, and even space-time itself could be torn apart. In this horrifying future, the entire universe would literally rip itself to pieces. Scientists are also deeply concerned about gamma-ray bursts. These are the most powerful explosions ever discovered in the universe. A gamma-ray burst can release more energy in seconds than the sun produces during its entire lifetime. If a nearby gamma-ray burst pointed directly at Earth, it could destroy the ozone layer and expose life to deadly radiation from the sun. Some scientists think mass extinctions in Earth's history may have been caused by such cosmic explosions. Fortunately, no dangerous gamma-ray burst currently threatens Earth, but the possibility remains frightening. There is also the terrifying theory that the universe may eventually suffer heat death. According to this idea, the universe will continue expanding forever until all stars burn out and all energy becomes evenly spread across space. In this distant future, there would be no usable energy left for life, movement, or even thought. The cosmos would become dark, silent, and unimaginably cold forever. No stars would shine, no galaxies would form. The universe would become an endless frozen wasteland. Some scientists believe this may ultimately be the final fate of everything. Perhaps the scariest part about all these theories is that many come from real mathematics, observations, and scientific research. Scientists continue discovering strange mysteries that challenge humanity's understanding of reality. The universe is far more bizarre, dangerous, and mysterious than humans once believed. Every answer creates new questions. Every discovery reveals deeper mysteries hidden in the darkness of space. Humans often imagine space as a peaceful place filled with beautiful stars and galaxies. But behind that beauty may exist hidden dimensions, cosmic destruction, invisible forces, and realities beyond human understanding. The deeper scientists look into the universe, the more terrifying the cosmos becomes. Stay connected with Planets in Perspective so you never miss any latest update on everything you want to know about space and its beyond.